what's up guys? It's me, Mitch. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Happy Friday. I've been doing good with these Friday uploads. We're gonna be installing some parts that make my Toyota Celica GTS 2005 last year, black interior, okay paint. It looks good though. Absolute red. We're gonna install some little things from my website, me, Mitch, that you guys should put on your Toyota Celica or MR2 Spider. The first thing we're gonna do is the super easiest mod ever. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna update the dome light. So currently there's an incandescent, that's what we call it, yellow, pea yellow bulb that's not very bright and I hate it. We actually drove across America with that. And as you can see, it just doesn't do a very good job. It's ugly. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install an LED from my website. I have sold literally over 350 of these. So if you're a Toyota Celica owner and you've already had one, good idea. If you don't own one, you're gonna own one after this video. In your kit, you'll get instructions and you'll get one LED bulb right here. This is very easy. You can actually literally do it with like one hand pretty much. So what you do is you take the one tool, a Phillips head, and in the middle of this is a Phillips head. You do lefty-loosey, just like that, and it's not very deep. It's just a few turns and it'll come out. And don't lose that screw. You don't want to lose it. The next thing literally is just to pull on this thing and it'll pop out just like that. And it's held on by these little clips right here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. 4 of them. There is the incandescent bulb. It's probably going to be hot. It is. Oh, it's always hot. So we'll turn it off. I'll go get a microfiber and pull it out. To install these bulbs, there is 2 little studs. You can see right here real clear. You push the LED in between the 2 little studs. You push it in and then you turn it. And it'll fit flush. And now you got some light. Look at that. That is awesome. You got to make sure it sits flush though. I'm going to make sure that the clamp is tight enough. It did kind of feel a little bit loose. Significantly better. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's what you wanted. Plus it looks aesthetic. It's way, 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 way more modern. That's it. It's literally simple. One of the things I would encourage you is to make sure that it is sitting flush. Don't get electrocuted, but make sure it's sitting flush. Super simple. Literally 1 screw. Literally. That's it. And then you put that in there. And then you've literally transformed your entire interior of a car. And there's only 1 dome in the whole car. Literally, that's the light. And like if you have a girl in here or whatever, she'll think that the car is a lot more modern just because you have that. It looks so much better. Super simple, very affordable. Look at my website. All my Toyota Celicas have this, and like I said, I've sold 300 of these. Back on, look at that, aesthetic, clean. It does do a very good job of lighting up the interior. I actually like it a lot. I love them. That's why I sell them. I do represent them. Phillips head back in right here, and you're all done, literally, and you can put it on the door. So you can have it on door, on, or off. So I'll have it on the door. So we'll leave it on the door and then you should close the door and it should close, turn off. This one's super easy. 1 tool, you're gonna need an 8mm. That's literally all you need. In your kit, you're gonna get the side markers. You can go incandescent or you can do LEDs. I sell the LEDs separate or you can get them for your license plate. You can get I can't talk. These are for the side markers for the license plate. They do fit both. These are amazing. They look really good. They come with the plastics in a lot of box. You'll get instructions for this and you get instructions for the dome light. All you gotta do is come out here, turn your wheel. If you have a fender liner, which I don't on this one, all you have to do literally is do lefty-loosey on 2 8mm up there, right there. It'll come, the side marker will pop right out and we can install the new MITSUBISHI side marker. A couple things on this one, there is a windshield wiper. So if you do have a fender liner, you can pull the fender liner down or just pull it away. We'll do it on the other side. Wow, those wheels look good. This is just a 10mm that holds it up. It's a screw bolt that holds it into this fender. I do encourage you unhooking that. You'll have a lot of room here. Let's go ahead and we're gonna actually spray some cleaner here so we can get this dirt out. And then you need to keep these 2. These are 8mm and you want to reuse them. They're like built-in washer nuts. They're pretty cool. And they'll go on the back of the MITSUBISHI ones because these are ugly, yellow, ugly. But I cleaned it. Before you install, you'll want to grab the OEM side marker light. You don't have to run them. You can actually just turn them off. I do like that look kind of, but I usually rent them. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this out, and it should be finger. You should be able to do it with your finger. You'll just pull the incandescent bulb out, okay? Right here, and then we'll install the MITSUBISHI LED bulb. Okay, that looks a bazillion times better. Now you gotta come over here and, oh, that looks so good. It's my favorite. I think they look just as good, to be honest, with the light on at night, right? Yuck, bruh. Not for me. That's the biggest part that's wrong with my Lotus, is it has these ambers everywhere, and you can't get rid of them. They don't sell stuff like MITSUBISHI does. Look at that! They fit, direct plug-and-play fit with the MR2 SPYDER. I have the same ones for the MR2 SPYDER, the JDM style, black smoked, non-incandescent LEDs. I love it. It's my favorite. Super simple. 2 mods. Let's see if this door's unlocked. Nope. I'll go around. I was gonna just show you the dome light. So we gotta do the other side too. But then the dome light as well. It's so much better. Oh, I love these little things on here. I think we already did the LED license plate and the frame. I don't remember. Let's look. I think we did. Yeah, we did. That looks so much better too. Crazy. That's so good. There are like 20 cars that still come with incandescent bulb. They don't last as long and they look like trash. LED is so much cleaner. The blue, oh, this car looks so good. Holy crap. This car looks so good. It looks so good. Sorry. It caught me by look. But I love it. I think it looks amazing. But yeah, old cars that have that right there look so bad. The new modern, or what we just did the Celica, this looks so good. Guys, that looks good. Like, that's the best looking Celica ever right there. I just need a lip. And a supercharger. Mitch, where's the supercharger? I'm working on it. Let's jump over to the other side. I'm excited. Perfect. There you go. Another YouTube video in the bangers. That's an amazing upgrade. I love it so much. It looks so good. It's actually been one of the reasons why I didn't like to drive the front or look at the front end of the car was those side markers. This looks so good. Remember, I deleted the fogs. Those look so much better as well. Now we're really just missing the supercharger, of course, and then a lip. I think I'm going to lower the car a little bit, just a smidge. I think I'm going to lower it just a little bit. But overall, the car looks absolutely amazing. I really did a good job with this car. I like it a lot. I'm going to go actually look at the YouTube channel to-do list. So I actually have a to-do list for you guys. And if you made it this far in the video, then you can check and see what's up next. So we did the LED dome. We did the side markers. Now we got to buy the supercharger kit, install the supercharger kit, do a short shifter, do a TRD batch, do a dyno supercharger, the front lip, and then we got to work on the EXIGE. The FRS needs a clutch. The Lotus needs a new radio. MR2. I got an ECU. That's a good story. So the ECU's coming actually. I can't wait to share that. The Tundra, I have an MPG button for the Tundra I need to do. I have a Tundra, if I don't know if you guys knew that. And then these are just some full mod list videos, full Tundra. I want to buy a GTR, that's on my to-do list. And then quarter mile the Celica supercharger. So these are my YouTube car list that's going to be coming up soon. But overall, I think that this car's turned out super amazing. I love it so much. This is a North Carolina car. It is so good. It's pretty quick actually. 2005. The best part of the car now, obviously TRD kit's pretty good, but probably going to be the GR8 6 wheels. Those are 10 out of 10. Definitely would recommend those. But that's how you install the side marker and the dome light. And yes, they both look very good. And yes, I do have them both in stock at MITSUBISHI.com. So make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com, and then of course, stay tuned for all those YouTube videos. The supercharger is going to be nuts. And I kind of want to supercharge the Lotus EXIGE. That's kind of what I want. And I do want a GTR, but I want another EVORA. I'm like shopping EVORAs all the time. I want another EVORA. Other than that, the FRS definitely needs a clutch. It's gonna die. Like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. See you guys in the next video.